Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to turn on subtitles on Netmirror application. So how can you do it? First of all, open your Netmirror application inside your phone and just log in with your account and play the video whatever you want to play. Now let's say this is the video and you will see a player mode like this inside the Netmirror application. So once you play the video, now you want to turn on the subtitles. So how can you do it? First of all, you just need to look for the option which seems similar like the captions or comments. As you can see on the bottom left corner, you can see an option called comments, or you can see along with the orientation, lock orientation. So just click on this comments option, and once you click here, as you can see, the first is audio, or if you want to disable it, either it is track one, which is it's by default language, or you want to load external audio, which means you want to download the external audio from somewhere and import it in this section. If you want to do it. And as you can see, like you can see the option called subtitles as well. If you have subtitles inside the like outside of the application, you can just load it. Otherwise, you just need to click on download, and you just need to select the language, whatever you want the language, and just click on any of the captions you want. And once you click here, it might take few seconds. As now, as you can see, just click on track one, which is English, which is its by default language. You can load it in any other language as well if you want. Now that's a simple and easy process. You just need to download the subtitles, select track one, and that will like turn on your captions, or you can say the audio description inside the Netmirror application. So that's a simple and easy process of how you can do it.